how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can do this quickly and easily. Now we are inside the official article of PrizePicks on how you can go ahead and withdraw from your account. Now basically, you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account. Now it includes Venmo, PayPal, and more, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks. Now, to request a withdrawal, it's extremely simple. Just navigate through the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks apps. If you're accessing your account on a browser, the menu is on the top right corner. From there, you can then go ahead and select the request withdrawal. Now, you'll receive a one-time password, which is an OTP code, by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. They will go ahead and send an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. And so, just go ahead and make sure that you use your Cash App in order to deposit funds into, and from there you will be able to withdraw your balance from PrizePicks. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.